She was 2 miles deep inside a coal mine, coughing up black dust when her phone lit up the darkness. It was a text from her husband. "I can't live with a dying woman anymore. Your cough makes me sick. I'm taking the kids." She screamed. The sound echoed off the crushing rock walls, but no one heard her. She finished her shift in silence, tears cutting white streaks through the grime on her face. She went home praying to hear her kids, but he had taken everything. She slept on the bare floorboards, coughing until her ribs felt like they would snap. She had nothing left but the dirt under her fingernails, so she went back to the only place she knew. She started collecting the trash stones, the rough, ugly, jagged diamonds the company threw away. She didn't have fancy tools. She used a rough sheet of sandpaper and her own boiling rage to shape the jagged stones. She rubbed the stones down until her fingerprints were erased, forcing the ugly rocks to finally shine. They came out dark, sharp, and dangerous. Black diamonds. A luxury watchmaker saw one photo and flew a jet to meet her the next day. "I've never seen gems this raw," the buyer said. "I'll pay $3 million for the lot." She signed the deal with a hand that still shook from the mine tremors. She bought the mine. She installed air filters so no father or mother would ever cough up blood again. Her ex-husband showed up at the gate, crying and begging for a second chance. She looked at him with hard eyes. She didn't say a word. She just closed the gate. Her name is Morgana Foster. She turned the dust that was killing her into a crown.